Hello everyone, welcome back to the Journey Museum and Learning Center. I'm Callie with the education team here at the museum, and today we are going to be doing an experiment called the exploding snowman. And in the experiment, it's just a simple chemical reaction where we're going to be using vinegar and baking soda. So with that combination, the sodium bicarbonate that's in the baking soda is going to react with the acidic acid that's in the vinegar, and it's going to explode. We're going to need baking soda, vinegar, white vinegar, a couple permanent markers, doesn't matter what color. I just picked black and orange, for a snowman's face. And you're going to need a teaspoon measuring cup and then a cup to measure out the vinegar and the baking soda, and just some plastic cups to hold the vinegar and the baking soda. But I always grab a bunch of freezer paper and lay it down on the surface before I start any kind of experiment, because it just makes for easier cleanup and it protects the surface. So with that, we got all our ingredients right here, and let's get started. All right, so the first step is you want to take a Ziploc bag, and I got the kind with a patch right there, but you're gonna flip it over to the clear side, or it's better to get a clear Ziploc bag, and you're just gonna draw a snowman face. So you can have your kids or whoever's doing the experiment, or all of you at once. So just a simple snowman face. And I picked a snowman because it's winter time, but you can definitely use this for any occasion, St. Patrick's Day, Valentine's Day. Just be creative with it, It's real simple, just drawing. And you can, with younger kids, you can play with shapes. The nose is a triangle and the eyes are circles. Kind of teaching the shapes there as well. Okay, so this is what it should look like when you're done drawing your snowman's face. And like I said, for the younger kids, really incorporate the shapes that you're using, Draw a big circle, draw a small circle, draw a triangle for the nose. So try to keep that in mind too. So that's what it's gonna look like. Now we're gonna get started. All right, so we used our measuring cup and our baking soda, and you put I use tablespoons because I want to get a bigger reaction. So if you want a bigger, more explosive reaction, you're going to use more baking soda. So I did a tablespoon on each one of my paper towels. And then we're going to fold them and put them in our Ziploc bag. Okay, so the next step is we're going to since we used a tablespoon of baking soda on each one of our paper towels, we're going to use 2 cups of vinegar. I already have a cup here in my little plastic container, and I'm going to add another cup. And then we're going to take the vinegar and we're going to add it into our snowman. And this has to be very fast. We're going to pour the vinegar in, and we need to seal the Ziploc bag super fast, because as soon as the vinegar mixes with the baking soda, the chemical reaction is going to start, and it's a double displacement reaction. So that pretty much just means that it has 2 steps. Like I said before, the sodium bicarbonate is gonna mix with the sodium acetate, and then we're gonna get carbonic acid. That's the first part of the reaction. So the carbonic acid is unstable and undergoes a decomposition reaction to produce the carbon dioxide gas that's going to cause our snowman to explode. And if you keep sealing the Ziploc bag up, it will keep exploding. So thank you all for watching this cute little short experiment. I hope you all try it either in your classrooms or at home. It's fun for the kiddos.